I'm Iyodu Elizabeth from EMCL, Kateng Parish, Kadungulu Sub-County, Serere District. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was operating a restaurant together with my parents. The business was going smooth, though sometimes you can encounter some challenges, but it was very okay. The major challenge, poor access to finance. Not always each business needs for you to have capital. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through our parish chiefs, and I managed to join it because I had qualifications needed, like national ID, smartphone, should have finished senior 4 and above. Then you should be a resident of that particular area you are in. I got interested in Gudie Leisure Farm because I wanted to acquire knowledge and skills, majorly on aquaculture, since most people in our district rely on lakes. They don't have those small scales of fish farming. Serere is a district located in the eastern part of Uganda. It is occupied with different tribes such as Itesokuma, Nyankole, Karamojong, and it is an area surrounded with lakes, majorly Lake Kyoga, and it has a lot of attractions. Ever since I came, since I'm in aquaculture industry, I've learned how to rear fingerlings, how to stock different species and sizes. Then I've learned how to construct a pond, how to do record keeping, and how to always grade fish according to its size and their weight. As a youth who wants to start a business of aquaculture farm, you need to first acquire the skills. And after acquiring skills, for instance, if you need to construct a pond, you need to first select your site. And after selecting your site, you have to clear the vegetation in it. After clearing the vegetation, you have to make sure that the site you have selected is near to the water source, since fish relies in water. Okay, when they're in a fry stage, you have to first give them their feeds, and of which they feed on crumble powder since they are young. Then when they reach the fecaling stage, you have to give them pellets, maybe pellets 0.6. As they keep on growing, you have to change the whatever the quality of their feeds, and even the amount you give to them. Because at least when they are young, you give them that powder, but when they grow, you have to feed them maybe 2 times a day. But when they are young, you have to feed them 6 times a day in their pond. Since you always attend to some events outside class, I've learned how to make bangles, then necklaces, then making pads. Those are the things you always learn, and that I've also acquired. As someone who really needs to operate a business, you have to first give your business a name, then you register it. And of which when you register it, registration basis, maybe when you need to get some loans, when your business is registered, you can easily get loans from maybe banks, other partnership like maybe Gudie, then those ones like CEP, then other community groups, saving groups. You can easily access those loans. And then as someone who needs to open up a business, you need to having taken some survey. Do you have market for that products you need to start up? Our culture at Gudie Leisure Farm has been all that okay, since you always attend different activities, different learnings, and we always have people who give us speeches like woman-to-woman speech, advices. So life has been all that okay. Since I've acquired that knowledge and I know it is going to benefit me, I do encourage most of the youth to always pick interest to have these small-scale businesses, not to rely on other people's businesses. You also need to have your own business, and you employ your own self and even other girls in the community, because when you have a business, it's not like you'll manage to do it you alone. You need some labor. My commitment is first of all to set up my farm business, and then I have to train the 100 girls that have registered within the 5 years. First of all, I want to thank the management of Gudie Leisure Farm for bringing us into this organization. Indeed, we have enjoyed being here, and we know we shall still come back after some time to enjoy life with you people here. And just want to say, may the Almighty God bless you for your hard work, and always continue supporting us, because we will not manage this alone.